so many months since I came online and said hi to you all, right? So here we go. So how are you all enjoying my recipes? Is there any feedbacks that you want to give me? Are you happy with the videos that I am doing? Is there anything that I need to change? Do let me know so that I can incorporate on that. Today we're not going to do any kind of a cooking. So today what I want to share with you guys is that first of all, let me thank you all for giving me your support, encouraging me all the time to do such good videos so that it's of help for many. Thank you so much. Finally, our channel has got monetized. The channel got monetized in May. For us in Dubai, we have the PO box where it goes, the mail will go to the PO box and we don't get it physically at our houses. So we give a registered mailbox, and from the mailbox we have to go collect it. First month I applied for the Google Pin, it never came. Of course, by April, May, it was like COVID time, and everyone was saying, everybody I could see on the YouTube saying everyone is facing this hard time, saying they are not able to get the pin, and so many of my friends who I checked on the YouTube, everybody said the same, that they are also finding very difficulty to get the Google Pin. So 1 month was up. Then I said I should be applying for the second one, because after 1 month we can apply for the next one. Waited for the second month also. Pin did not arrive. I started searching the Google Pin videos on the YouTube. I started looking for any videos where I can get help how to do manual approval for the Google Pin. Then I came across several videos, but for UAE, I did not find anyone who has created a video where how to do the manual verification for Google Pin if you don't receive your Google Pin. So that was a task for me now. Then I went through some reviews somewhere, someone said saying we can do it through our MSID and with our bank verification. So on the second month what I did was, I will show you on the Google AdSense page. In the Google AdSense itself, you will see a payment place wherein you can put in your bank details, and you can fill it up online. So I'll show you that when I am going to the computer. I will show you there. So what I did was, I did the payment bank verification. So second time I didn't receive. I just simply put my bank details, everything in that payment details. I put my account. Within seconds, I got a mail from Google saying that they are going to verify my bank account with sending a small token of an amount to my bank, which they said it will take minimum 2 days to 3 days. But I just got it in hours time. I got that message. Believe me, the next day itself, I got $5 in my account and the bank account was verified. Although I have to still wait for the PIN to come. And everywhere I read through, everybody kept saying that if you don't receive or you verify your account in 3 months time or 4 months, your account will be seized, your ads won't come. So now I'm already in the second month. What do? I have to wait. Go to the Google AdSense and go to payments here. Then you will see how you get paid. There you have this manage payment methods. Click on that. Then you have to put your bank details, edit your bank details. If you want a second bank details, you can put that there. So this is how that you do for the bank details. So then after waiting for the second Google Pin, I was not successful at all. Then I applied for the third one in August. I applied for the third PIN in August and completed my August also third time. Three pins I requested. I have not still got my pin in my hand. I really don't know who to contact, do what. So finally I went through, I thought I will do manual verification. So I went to the Google AdSense page and I went to request for the pin there. In that pin there area, there is a place where you can do manual verifications, which I will show you how we are going to do that as well. So I tried to do the manual verification, but the function was not enabled. So I was not finding that particular link, like what they were saying, how you can go do that there. So I had no other choice, that even that link or that particular function was not showing, and I had to wait only. So after completion of the third month, exactly after the third month, on the next day, after completing 3 successful months waiting for applying for the PIN every month, I kept my dates and I kept applying it for 3 months. On the completion of the third month, just after the next day morning, I looked into that same area where I can do the manual verification. I found the link or the word which I wanted to enable, how to do the verification was enabled there. So I just clicked there. I put my Emirates ID, copy of my Emirates ID. It's our ID what you have here. And I put my passport copy, and I just sent a mail to them saying that I'm waiting for the PIN and I'm not getting the PIN. I don't know how to verify the Google AdSense. I sent the mail, you won't believe, I just clicked, and within 5 minutes I got a reply from them saying that, your account is verified. That's it, because it was so easy and it didn't even take time, it was like quick, it happened. So this happened, why? Was because I've already verified my account, right? Bank account was already verified when I told you earlier itself. So when I gave my bank account name, you have to ensure your Emirates ID name should be same, bank account should be name, that also the name should be same, and your passport also should be same. If your account or anything has a different name, then there will be a problem. So you need to ensure that all the places where you are going to give as a verification should have the same name in it. Okay, now I have requested for 3 pins, okay, and continuously I have never received my pin. So now this is after the third attempt of my pin request. Every month what I did was I was trying to apply for a pin, but my pin has never reached me. So today I'm going to try doing it manually. So how I'm going to do this manually is like, I go to your Google AdSense account, and then you go to the page where you have home, it shows, and then when it is not verified, it will show you like this: enter your PIN, and then you have to verify, and because you have not been verified your address yet. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the help. Okay, click on the help, and then you see down here, can you see here, there's something called as PIN troubleshooter. Click on the PIN troubleshooter, okay, and then you need to answer these questions here, like it's saying, are your earnings greater than the verification threshold? I will say yes. And have you received your PIN? I'm saying no. Okay, and then have you already requested 3 pins? Yes. So my first pin request was done in May. So after that June I did, then I did July, then I did August also. So I haven't received my pin. So now I'm saying, have you already requested 3 pins? I'll say yes. Okay. So now when I say that, you'll have 4 months of the date of your first pin to generate to enter it to the account. If you have not entered it in the 4 months, we will stop showing your ads on your page. So it says contact us. So I'm just going to click on the contact here. And then now I have to fill in all these details. It's asking my name, then it is asking my email, and then I have to attach, for me from Dubai, I'm going to attach the Emirates ID and my bank statement copy. So it verifies the name and everything on the bank details. So that is why I'm going to put that there. I did the application of the contact us live. The same day itself I got this approved, and it says that, thanks for sending the proof of identity. I'm happy to let you know that fulfills your address verification. So this has been verified and now it's clear. And then after I finished my Google verification manually, after 2 weeks in September, I got all the 3 pins what I requested. 1, 2 and 3. They all arrived to the mailbox one after the other. So what I am saying is, people who are waiting for the Google pin, it is not a bogus or anything. They are sending. It is just that because of the COVID, it is taking little longer time. And in order for you to do the manual verification, you have to apply for the 3 pins. Without applying for the 3 pins, that activation button for manual verification does not happen. So you have to wait for the 3 months and 3 times you have to apply for the pin. So is there any clarifications that you want on the particular Google pin or anything on this side? Let me know. And the verifications what I have given from my side is for UAE side, okay? So in your country, in your country what you're living, I don't know the verifications or the what kind of author documents that you can give. Definitely I think bank account and passport should match same name. And if you have another identification like Aadhaar or something, I don't know if they would accept for India that way. But there are a lot of people on YouTubers who are helping for the Indian region. But for UAE, I saw there weren't anyone who had posted a video. So the whole idea of me making this video and posting this was only for people here in UAE like me who suffered. I don't want another person to go through. It's very easy for them to, in case you want to do it, just follow the instructions. Thank you so much. And it's long time that I showed you my garden because of the summer. In the last 2 days it's been little pleasant here. It hasn't been very hot. It's very nice now. Slowly the weather's changing and very nice now. I will show you some of my plants which have survived this summer, I will say. Many of my plants died because the heat was terrible. They couldn't bear it at all. Finally, some have survived. Some I have put it inside the gazebo. They are in the cold place. So some plants still they are dry. I'm sure in few days they will also recover well. And is there anything else that if you guys have any comments or any suggestions that you want to tell me, do let me know, okay? So until then, please keep supporting me as always, and thank you for watching me always. Bye, take care. Nowadays, finally so much of my plants survived. I'm not going to go outside and show you all, so you can see from here itself. Yesterday I cut my drumstick tree. See, I cut it. We got the gardener to do it. We just, because it's growing so high, because now sooner all the leaves have fallen, the new leaves will start to come and then the flowers will start. So I thought I will give it a cut so that they grow and the fresh leaves and everything together it will start, and it will be on a lower level, so it's very easy for me to take the drumsticks. And if you see, my banana is really struggling to grow because it's so hot. It was the summer and all my plants are recouping back now. This is the tapioca which has grown. Not bad, they survived the heat. One of my tulsi died, but 2 of them survived. Even the curry leaves survived. So this is how we are.